Hey, it's Monday morning. It's not my favourite day of the week. So we got a long commute to work today. So let's go. And we're here. Hello and welcome to my tiny workshop. When I say tiny, it's tiny. So it's 8 foot that way, 6 foot that way, but it's only temporary. The plan is to build a bigger workshop in the garden. It'll end up roughly around 4 meters by 4 meters, so loads more room then. So let me tell you a little bit about the channel. Started this just to sort of document my progress and expansion, and just to let people know what I do. So a little bit about myself. My name's Kyle. I've been a carpenter for 20 odd years now. I've done all sorts, from site work, commercial work, residential work, joinery shops, a bit of everything. What we make in here is mostly sort of outdoor furniture, kids play equipment, mud kitchens, climbing frames, etc, etc. We'll put up some photos of previous work over the years, different things. So I'll see what photos I've got, post a few so you can see sort of what I've done, what my experience is. And yeah, but like I always say, every day's a school day, never too old to learn. If you'd like to see how it goes and how we're progressing, then like and subscribe, be much appreciated. Shall I take you for a little tour around the massive workshop? Okay, let's go. Right, so this is us. We just shut the door. So as you can see, yeah, pretty small. Got a load of squares and chisels and hammers and all sorts up there. At the moment we're just working off an OSB bench. It's not the greatest, but like I said, this is temporary, so it does me for now. Coming around, got a chop saw, and then all power tools, radio, most important tool in the workshop. Here you're probably wondering what this ugly looking thing is. This is just a temporary measure for when I'm cutting longer lengths on a chop saw. I can take that off, the long length will go outside, and I can close it back up. And yeah, it's just like I said, it's crude, it's temporary, but it does the job. Coming around, got the ring light there. Just more clamps and all other stuff. Up here we got fixings, extraction under there. At the moment I haven't got proper electrics running, so I'm running off an extension lead, which is not the best, but extension lead just comes here, out through the wall into a little box, and then I just pull the extension lead from there into the house. Simple, effective. I will do a longer video at some point, but this is more like an intro video just like an introduction to the channel, really. Okay, I got a pocket hole machine there by Craig. Great little machine, the Foreman I think it is. There's my table saw, which is not the best at the moment. I am planning on making a little stand for that, maybe on rollers, so I can just roll it straight out the door, use it outside, and that'll do for now. I'm not confident in front of the camera, as you can probably tell, but that'll come. I haven't got a clue yet how to edit a video. Yeah, but we'll get there. If there's anything anybody would like to see on the channel, maybe making simple things, or a better workshop tour. It's a short video, but any tips on the best free or cheap video editing software, put them in the comments below. That'd be great. Thank you very much. If the quality of this video is not the best, it's because I'm using my phone. I am planning on getting a GoPro or some sort of better camera, but for now this will do. I have got a bit of experience in music editing and recording, so I've got an idea of how to edit videos, but it's still new to me. So yeah, so I think that's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you very much.